Welcome to 167 West Street in New Haven, Connecticut. This is a one-bedroom apartment that's about 650 square feet. So as we come in the back entrance, we come into the kitchen area. People will typically come in the front entrance. This will give you a rough perspective on how things are. So that was the door we just came through, and you'll see there's a closet there. There are appliances here, and they are provided as is. If they have to be replaced, they would be the tenant responsibility. There's a full bathroom right off of the kitchen. It's a good sized kitchen. We can fit a table in here. As we walk through, you'll see that there's a large living area, could also be a dining area. This apartment is carpeted, and the carpets are brand new, and the paint is fresh. It was just freshly painted and cleaned up. And then there's a little storage area behind this door here. Then we come down to the bedroom area. Again, I did mention that there were two entrances. This door right there is the other entrance to the apartment. And it's one that people typically use when they come in, because it's easier to gain access from the street side than the back. However, you can use both. Again, new carpet, a really big walk-in closet, plenty of storage in there, and then there's another closet as well. So this apartment has a surprising amount of storage for its size, and you will note that it is the third floor. And this is 167 West Street. And thank you for viewing this apartment. And please let us know if you have any questions on it. Thank you.